What up there, you are watching Atmosphere, and in this video I will be discussing about the strategies and tips for preparation of IIT Mains Paper 2. Let's begin this video. Guys, I will be sharing about what is my experience, how I prepared, because I gave my IIT Mains Paper 2 and I got School of Planning and Architecture, and my score was so decent that I was able to get into School of Planning and Architecture Delhi. So guys, I want that you should aim for marks more than 280. Actually, the rank and your college doesn't depend on the marks, it depends on your rank. So while counseling you will be getting your rank, not your marks. So while counseling you will be using your rank instead of marks, but still there's a hope that if you get 280, this is the average score that is being observed by many years to get a decent rank. And if you will get marks above 280 to 300, you will definitely come in the zone of 1 to 1000 rank. So guys, I want to give you a rough idea that I got a rank of 400 and my marks was 280. So if you are lucky and the scenario will be same, you will be having the same rank if you will get marks above 280. So for math preparation, you just have to focus on few chapters. You don't have to cover each and every syllabus, because if you will be giving your time to cover all the syllabus, you won't get time to practice drawing and practice aptitude. I will be saying that the total marks of maths is 100, the total marks of aptitude is 200, and the drawing is 100. So you should first focus on aptitude, and then you have to focus on your drawing, and the last thing that will come is maths. That was my strategies. Maybe there is something different for you. If you will think that you can do well in maths, you can do it, but for me, I gave my best in aptitude and drawing, and maths was my least interest. I am good in maths, but still I focus mainly on those subjects because I know that I can score well in this. So this was my strategy, and I focused only on the few chapters that I am interested in mathematics, because if you will be covering a lot of chapters, there will be no point, because you won't get a lot of time to finish all your maths question and your drawing and your aptitude. So I only attempted from 25 question, I only attempted 15 question, and that is the key. I will say that is the key for me, because I got well marks in maths and my drawing was good. So I got from 100, I got around 65, and my aptitude was the best. So I got 195, something 190s, touching to 200 only. So the best part of me was aptitude. The chapter that I focused was the one that I liked, that was probability, matrices and determinant, statistic, and integration and differentiation. I haven't completed the whole syllabus, but still I got School of Planning and Architecture Delhi. So it's like that. You don't have to focus on everything that is written on syllabus. You can do best by just attempting what in which you are good at. So that is the advice for maths. Let's go for the second tip, that will be of aptitude. So for aptitude, I will be saying that there are many books that are available in the market that you can refer to for preparing your aptitude, and aptitude will take very less time, because you just have to develop a mental state that okay, this is the 3D thing, so how it will be shown in 2D and how it will be shown in a section. So that will be the logic thing. It will be a logical thing, and it will depend on your mindset, how many questions you have practiced while preparing for your exam. So this is the very easy, because you will hardly take around 2 minutes to figure out a question that okay, I know this question, I calculated this, and this is the answer. And I will be making more videos about aptitude, so if you want to refer to that, you can do it. And the best book that I want to recommend is of Arihant for B-Arc. So it's the book that I prepared, and it somehow gave me the things that I needed. And there's another book about the GK part. So the GK part I prepared from many other sources that like I researched about GK, and there was one more book which is available on Amazon, and it's called Precept, and there's a CD they provide you. I don't know how they are providing now, but you can check. I will be giving the link in the description box, so you can check that book, because that book helped me a lot in my preparation. So there I gave you two books that you have to focus on, and you can take a lot of study material, but I would say that don't go in too much depth. There's no point in studying a lot of GK in too much depth, because for knowledge it's okay, but for architecture exam that you will be appearing, it won't count, because the GK that is asked in IIT Mains paper 2 is very basic. That if you are interested in architecture, you must know that these are the level of question that is asked in general knowledge. And the other thing is for aptitude is that you should definitely refer the previous question that was available on there. I recommended you the book, so these book also have the previous year paper, so you can just refer to that to understand what are the aptitude question that is asked in the paper. That will be sufficient for aptitude, and you will be ready for your aptitude test. So let's discuss about the drawing part. What are the tips that you have to understand? So my tip would be that please practice a lot of drawing questions, and you just have to. So the first step will be just to understand the perspective. What is perspective? So there are three types of perspective: 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point. If you have to understand these philosophy, like which drawing will need these three type of perspective. Perspective is nothing. I would just want to explain that. Just take an example of that you are standing on a platform and you are looking on the railway track. You will see that there is a point that at which the railway track merge. It's called perspective. That is the philosophy of perspective. So everything what we see, we seek that into perspective. Our eyes are made like that we sense everything in perspective. And so the example that I gave you is of 1 point perspective. So you just have to figure out that the question that is asked to you will what will be the requirement that they will be asking. And if you will be drawing in perspective, they will definitely give you more marks in comparison to other drawing skill that you will be using. And when you are done with your perspective part, then focus on shading. Study about how shading will be done when a light source is falling on an object, how it will affect. That will create a sense of reality in that object that you will be drawing. The third thing is that practice of making movements in your sketches, because human will make your sketch more lively and more active. That is the point of making humans. Let's talk about the time management that you have to consider a lot, because time management is the most important thing that you will be considering while you're giving IIT Mains paper 2. So what I did was that first I attempted my maths question. What I first of all just go through the whole paper and mark out what you will be attempting, and then calculate whether it's sufficient to get the marks that you are thinking of. So my first aim was that I ticked all the question that I could do, and then after that first I attempted maths and then I attempted aptitude, and the goal was to do these things within 1 hour 45 minutes. My goal was that, and I somehow did that. After that I quickly shifted to start drawing, and somehow I completed my drawing in this 1 hour 15 minutes. And because of these strategies, I got School of Planning and Architecture Delhi. And the last step will be about the counseling. I do recommend that please check my this video of counseling, because this is the main thing. Because after getting your marks, your aim is to get a college, and for that you have to get counseling. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit like button and please subscribe the channel, and please share this video to your friends who are appearing for IIT Mains paper 2. And if you subscribe this video, you will definitely get a lot of more videos related to architecture. These videos will be really helpful for your preparation for IIT Mains paper 2, and I wish you all the best for your examination. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.